Sukman a matana video it's a mosuto Sukman there no yadmo ke otewe uzilode no gwa kiki one we no na gwa kiki beta bonwe da na mi da mi wa ya fe where you wanna ne e go doing you.
Give me 1 second, brothers and sisters. I want everyone to listen very well. This is the audio that I played. The audio that I played that is about to create a bigger problem that will put a stop to a lot of things that is going on social media. And I want everyone to share this video. As I'm speaking right now, a lot of traditional rulers from Benin Kingdom, they are listening and they are going to watch this live show. Some high-ranking and hardliners, political pillars in Edo land, they are all watching this video as I speak. I want you to understand that play a viral audio that circulated throughout the whole world. And this audio, voice note, whatever it is, was made by Chief Omo Osage Utete Negabi. The audio was made by him. And this audio went viral to the whole world. Nobody forced him to do the audio. I don't think he was under duress when he made this audio. Unfortunately, we have gotten an evidence that through this Edwin Owoha Idaosa that or Chief Omo Osage Utete Negabi stated and make him understand that the audio note that he made that I play. So that was the reason why he came out to say to blackmail me and a gubernatorial contestant who happens to share the new value of Comrade Adam Ali Oshomole. I am a man, it's just like a Republican or Democratic Party in United States. When you ask the Democrat, who will you support or who is better among all of the contestants, they will tell you anybody among them is better than President Donald J. Trump. If you ask Republican, who is better to rule United States of America, they will tell you anybody from the Republican Party are better than Democrat. On this situation, I am a man who have feelings, who care about the poor, who know what poverty feel like, who know what poverty, the pain of poverty. I am a definition of poverty. I was brought out of a home, a community who have never have electricity since that community was created until recently. I was raised without a television, without electricity, without clean water. But that did not stop me to work a little bit harder, knowing fully well that if I work a little bit harder, the life of my children will be better than the life of what my father and my parents gave me, with no fault of their own, due to the political system that have been implemented in Nigeria, corruption, which led to all the area of Edo State, villages, community, destroy and permanently damage, without no hope that one day those innocent Edo citizens living in that area will have a better life. I fought very hard. I worked very hard to come here. America have given me what Nigeria could not give me, what my motherland could not give me. So therefore, I hold United States of America whatever I can do, I will do it for this country, who have given me life, who have given me voice, who have given me hope, who have given me everything my motherland could not give me. It's not a coincidence that Chief Omo Osage Utetenegiabi become a political weapon. Chief Omo Osage have been weaponized by Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State, that he was the chosen one that they used to try to bring me down. However, every action have reaction. Palace issue are not issue to be publicized on social media. But however, we were given permission to be able to speak about our good things our palace are doing. That is what I've been doing. There's no doubt in my mind a lot of people might not put words the way I will. I have lived more than 2 decades in America. I am used to the way or Americanized system. There's still going to be a little bit of how they think. But all my life that I left, since I left Nigeria 3 decades ago, I have never seen where a situation whereby when you play audio that went viral, audio note, then you become automatic Oryomba. And if that Oryomba is going to be announced, the chief, a permanent chief, or have or back, we carry a white cloth, ukmono wine, ukmono fwa. Again, no buyer way, he will carry it and took it to another convicted. I repeat, another convicted enemy of palace, Edwin Owoha in Dausa. Convicted. He was convicted, and he was prosecuted, and he was convicted. I have never seen in my entire life. This is the first time a permanent chief or Hawaba Nawagili in your hand, Chief or Omo Osage Utetenegiabi, Onakba Abowoha no Vitausa. No, you know Pamisikanya do, no, you know Pamisikanya who, no, you know Pamisikanta, I mean, Panakunoere, Velok Noere, le Risa Ladian. Wak Bewerisa, Olunoata, Wak Bewunolisa. Onakba, Onavi, Navione, Ivie Gua, Uburi, Onavio Yegbe, Ona la telephone, Ona win your hair, Dwae, Umozo. Ne Godwin Obaseki no loy no ya gagie iviedo okay ka gagia ona we ni efien o mbe ne boy goba o mamiuka nana ye go ananya e family me aye goba oba wa ya talk be gidigan he said it's not a coincidence for the past 2-3 days that it have been clear that Chief Omo Osage Utetenegiabi, he had personal hatred against some Orion people, most especially Erosi community. Already so no yegbe kagbe no we lagana around where Chief Omo Osage no na we bobo. A video ne owo hamewu o ma si pe de wana ona we re ta wo mo Osage khamie ye tane re tori kabaka no we adu gebe me no ke ata igema yegwa. I have sent people to palace ewa ya na no we gwa egbe ya they are all weak and shocked where the Chief Omo Osage o aya be video ni maya yara you so okay, who said that? Who said Omo Osage? That is the question. But information is coming out through Owoha Idahosa that hence I refuse to support Godwin Obaseki of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State. Hence I refuse, and I choose Comrade Adam Aliu Oshomole over Governor Godwin Obaseki. That they will do whatever it takes. That meeting was held in the government house with Governor Godwin Obaseki. That they sent Edwin Owoha Idahosa. Abuja want to know how Edo people love Obaseki. And they now went to campaign to pay all the social media Edo on social media, so that Abuja will be hearing Edo people they love Obaseki. And they went on this what we call Ponzi scheme campaign. Propaganda. Radical propaganda campaign. Unfortunately, I was caught in the crossfire because I refused to take their bribe. I was offered many things, but I turned it down. Knowing fully well that Comrade Adam Ali Oshomole is not contesting for a governorship, but he may have made a mistake. Comrade Adam Ali Oshomole understands that the mistake he made by bringing up Godwin Obaseki for a continuity of his administration. Little that he know that Governor Godwin Obaseki has a betraying blood. Once a betrayer will always be a betrayer. After Comrade Adam Ali Oshomole come to see that Governor Godwin Obaseki have implemented his own radical autocratic system of governing. As a clean man, a man that have dent his image by bringing Governor Godwin Obaseki into Osarebe Avenue, he decided to do whatever he can do to make sure that his reputation restored. Process of doing that, Governor Godwin Obaseki decided to bite the finger that fed him. I am happy today that I'm supporting Comrade Adam Ali Oshomole. I have no regret over it. As of today, again I repeat, Sunday, December 1st, the first day of December 2019, I repeat, read my lips. Mega Comrade Investigator Officer Clement Iranomigo Edegbe, the open leader of People Freedom Movement worldwide. I repeat what I've been saying. I will continue to support Comrade Adam Ali Oshomole policy, the policy that I know that align with the policy of the innocent poor citizen, that will put bread in common man table in Edo land, that will provide a common electricity or security in every community in Edo land. I will do whatever it takes to make sure I defend and fight peacefully. Defend Oshomole wherever I can. However, politics in America is different from politics in Nigeria. And those state politics have been weaponized by Chief Omo Osage Utete Negabi. And all the Edos across the globe should understand that Mega Comrade have taken a bullet for them. Because this one will be the last one. Anybody to ever call and say, you are Orionba, this is Orionba, that is Orionba, for you to call Orionba, you have to follow due process. This is how it was done before I left Nigeria. When you offend the palace, they will summon you to the palace. If they summon you, then you go there with your family. They will ask you to talk up. Tell them what you know. If you are honest, you can kneel down and beg what you did is wrong. They will forgive you and they will give you first warning. They will give you second warning. Third warning, if you refuse, they will tell you, if you know you did not do this, come and take cola. Whatever they call it. The third time. If you know your heart is clean and you want to live in the kingdom, you will do it. If you know your heart is not clean, you will not do it. You tell them what is the punishment. They give you a punishment. That's it. But today, Chief Omo Osage, he shoot before he aim. Before he could even aim, he shoot. He open fire. Chief Omo Osage Utete Negabi, honor you mozo, honor ya fiomanya, ori fianya na we do have no area where I do. ima me pa ni e ima e gwe gwade me ba we call e de e me ni ya kele me social media we me we me gwen egwa oba me oba yi me oba ayuhure ni ya mama we no ya goredo amwe mama ogiere wi ma oge wi mama ewi o ma ewi wi ewo si ropa we le ti for mo sa ge ya de social media we ni e do ria ni we wa ni make na gbi me no ho a no gbe vere ohuma na e ho e ime ile ma do ta mi vie do nanya iye we no ho awu orobe Obaseki we ti for mo sa ge iya ga ya fe ma gbe because e mo papa ye meta ma me vive de baba dole do yi agwoba dole do yi agwoba dole do yi agwoba dole do yi iye me no kwa tama me anu vie ni imelele ade ahwega ihona iye me no kwa ha we me no mo sa geta a partition re dogure ogbedede no 111 years. My grandfather died at the age of 135 years. Egbe no to e ma hivuni Chifoma osage otete na gabi ime yire dukmo won wese o edede la wu oru wa Obaseki ru vai na mi na onwe tete 111 years e wa Obaseki wa ya lakete o me kelora ise iwe na mwe dede o wa we adu mwe yi ba wa ke ba pa ya mwe yo sade be afenu ya mwe yo enu wa ma emiete o sunu ya ga mwe ya news ya mwe Channel TV, CNN, ya mwe we redede 111 years old woman or re agbovien kweku o wana we ni eri ya ni mewa every toba dede me every toba iteme ro parapa ma we e woni Mario wede akpo ju de na akpe ekele koi na kakabo yeri me arita awona awodio na pe na we audio na pe ope ni akeye me gwa lo me osalo ba wori o me ohun me ohege igbina ne gwa ikome ya gbina ne igbo even ata imam you feel o mo you feel iwe la de na baba even na ri wita wala wo wa ya bo me ina carry on etori no ya tu no ma ote kha ga hwega were etoni o kan we do a de ba me gbin obi ogwe igbin obi ogwe etoni kabaka iwa gbinana ni mare toni ke agbin obi ogwe na o ima ebege iyo paro na samo go ba mese ne Chifoma osage no na o ni eyeme yasine true owo han idaosa no wa won ti on no fi peje gwa no gborun vele God Obaseki na hawe agborun ma Bame 10 million 20 million iwa lare o aya mi fe ko egbe wa oko me even yoma ewo ya poligidege ime na tell yoma unu iya chioma baba na we lare na we wi ya mase no de ina we inidi go be nyoma ma so ni a rigo give Nigeria ya o wi inidi go egege ana wa send e wa gumi ima ya me legbo unu won aseti pa ya no wa we $5,000 me when you go to $5,000 you need $2 million right now oba pagbe la o we $2 million gwa lo we me unu won aseti we radio we la ye no ma we li ye no ma ria we ye ni me e wo na $8 ni wa ye na me o ma we la we mani bu we la ya we se no we me ri e wo na obia we lo be God we ye no ama mu mi gbin abo yan emi aladian mo ma ya be wuna na iyo bogbe wejo idala se na orun pa no ha ma we na no migo yin ma ho eri owo na ho e obewe no usun ya no jealousy no owo bo ha won gbe no wa ri bai imigo be la mi e ko mi ma me go ba me be ge me na migo saba na ja mi dobo idobo ni me mi e God Obaseki na mi o ye ga aragmo emi no gbe wa un ona gbigo emi no gbogi awon na gbigo a gubernatorial contestant no highway anybody but Obaseki who tete nega bi we wa pa we we ri ya me career wa no we bi me career awa etete body wa se etu ga gbo kan baby eti ro we egba ugu ke wa pa una vie averi ma yi ma ni ro wa una mwe ni una we ri e bai nu yari ya me ni wa wo so Owegbe. What's one? La wegbe no ye ni bi ko na we dero ye ya. Abi we si ro. Ibi we si dero a. Aga idukone adu kamera me bi la do e. Wa mi go ko. Oh, ba you hure ni ama we na ogwo we do a chief mo sa go tete na gabi. O ha go ete bon we. Iti wa ge na me ro bi. Because number one, ima me wege gine politics de o kaonahi. E wani me rovie. E wano de barrio banema. No riadowa. No ma give no ma lado I rovie. Because kevi mosisi kevi tie body no ma se. Ime ge na mosisi. E boni ofoni wati o webo. Ayate wata. Igatie ne kiri wa bitie se mwe babo me. Itie ye ma. Ire babo mena o even o me o wafo even no really come table no me freedom of speech, freedom of anything in here or when tawe boy itane America ji o America nata even you no meta America ya de Nigeria na the way wanata ya turu te Nigeria no we Nigeria mo me uara America onara wa se Nigeria aka we opasa pombo na ra America kan ha me ya we ora be ma wa gbe ma mo ade u seti ra America in Nigeria the way yi America ora America wa mo ge Nigeria wa me na even really time ma I am covered with the First Amendment, Second Amendment, whatever you call it, freedom of speech. Covered anything really tie, really Trump will tie. Or we may First Amendment right. First Amendment right. If Trump we may first President Trump or we may First Amendment right. It may be one. I want to say be or when I we gay or juki on my camera but on me ya tie. It tie. Do we give me when we have it we tie I baba like baby cut. It cut up boy we so ya sula devie do no wa ha we iranomiho o na sunu da wa gearo umozo no ba sekire ye chifomo sajo bona no ya gya kivie do iye gi gwo ba dole do yi na iranomiho no gwo ba dole do yi wo egbe na tami me we ya gwo ba dole do yi e video because ori me wa nwa ori me nwa o wa nwa Owe use o te won vegeta owe anateme da anafupege go mana set stop do whatever no I think no ya stop but you mana set to asen for anu paware iwe ono de na bume we metana ono de na bume. So brothers and sisters, I am going to play the audio so that the whole world can hear this audio before we start. Share this video.
What say you? It's where you can go and a matana video. It's a most of top. So, man, there will no yagwan. Kiwe oteme uzi no day. No go and kick you one. We don't go and kick you with that one way. Down, I mean, down, I mean, down, I mean, why you fair. Where Imunane. E Godwin you be a back phone. Why here tell me CD. Wa may be name CD yare. Akion basekio bo kijeki ya we me CD. Omono ba no to no pe. The whole House of Assembly members have been aga die gwe. Na ka me ya we gewe na gwalemi na ji ni awe. Yeah, here now where when at that time, as at that time, I'm not being a governor there almost 8 months or say 9, maybe let's say over 6 months. Omamugie House of Assembly. At here, I just until Omonobama kedo the House of Assembly in here fair all the 24 members all the 24 members at that time, it was 18 APC, 6 PDP. They all came and stood. Anawetie, the senator Urogide, Anatie Obede Hama, Anatie EJ Agwanyima, all of them to also come down. And then now make the presentation the audience hall of Monopama Regway. Now ya akhiye Obaseki Obogiyeke. That is one. On I am in Atawijekime, it is in my presence. Now we are gelegele. If you pano e mieta where umugun atop edoka where agboroma, we will find a way to end this Ijo Benin dispute. That Benin Ijo abi Edo Ijo Eyahin. So now we the yam senior Kegbe. And these are the people as at that time. Ya mudia ya feel no get go. E me no tire anything. Agboroma. Avec mon now, area wupo. Maybe no one are done a yaduba. NDDC works or what area wupo. I want my mind that they were in winning NDDC, you know, until I will do it cry like the way wupo no baseki who my way for. I where with ya when we do a ban on it. I could do Latin where a governor way NDDC away. Be a super deck. Who book here or banale here? National Festival of Arts and Culture, NAFEST, Ahiauna. This Saturday, no, Akwena. In few minutes, a day, one. It's Sanudazi. Governor has not released money for the state contingent because Igo na guy ake yaji. It may take by the cultural center one. A Stacy here in a Stacy soon. Ogun State has arrived. Adamawa has arrived. Nasarawa has arrived. Delta State has arrived. Yarene, Kina Vinyaji. Nibun cultural center here we have because we are not ready. We are not ready. My sister is saying where one money go near guy. Time movie mebu evebo. Omano wene Obaseki Muiguri. No come where Muiguri near guy. Ndaya come where the way you are running the state party, the APC in Edo State area. You cannot choose some to be your friend and others to be your enemy. For what? Then the next thing, or where they are all greedy thieves. How can you just, why you know what they are all greedy thieves. They told me, as for me, yeah, we all grew up together. It's my brother. And I know, I have great respect for the office. But, na muji jingbe o ka muji ni jegbe why no mania if no ze lunda we awabe owo how what's his name now Lawrence Oka no state party secretary where reside there awe oya abe ko yin ware local government chairman Agunede Wekpuma because of Abuja awaka Abuja re akwo yin ware ego in all the local government, the local government chairman no winner by Oyogbamudia. No schools, creativity, innovations, everything. No emure. Akwe. Any governor warrant here constitutionally. This is what I'm saying, this is what I'm fighting for. Any constitutional high where the governor can hire and fire a local government chairman. If it is so in the constitution, it is also so where the president can hire and fire an elected governor. Because Utapa or video. So no wagwe or Godwin no say Obaseki Wakamae. I'm not interested in his office, I'm not interested in his seat. Again, Obawaya Wemena or Jemes Senyopa. I'm more interested in this one. I hold it jealously. So I mean politics here on my camera, but that thing near sell into all of you where I when we and Tony Kabaka made one statement where my enemy in my young winner where they now primary election. Our primary election will be Obaseki did not win. It was someone not close up everywhere. Tony Kabaka now went to Odubu, Yain Sote, where Oman Diopo here, Eminare, Irion Nason. When Oshomola and Obaseki were sitting down, Yana Giajoy. Yes, a stadium on Asunu in my presence. Adukamane. So I come one way, Shomole can never be my friend. But Omaga will need, if not, it means no who will attack. That is the way I see it. 3 years of banner. Naketene, Iria Wode Kenwa Road. Wode Kenwa Road. 3 years of banner. 3 years of banner. Nagi Wode Sensevio. 3 years of banner for a lot of other things like that. Leventis private rice farm we wepa wano side agbere wodoni government we muje fotole le yakin Edo State government rice farm Edo State in rice farm wa. Tell the people the truth. It doesn't cost you, it cannot cost you your life. Instead awe omano temata inakin. That's the way I see my life. Omamudbi noya temata and respect the one I know to be the I don't know, I don't care for any other human being, but I'm on over. With the man respected one, it does not deserve respect from any Benima. It what I will say.
If you do wahona wawese, Oba talk by say, do hold me ona. Chief Omo Sago Tete Nagabi. Me fia ba men weta beef I me be fia in worry vi kak be me fia ba we me ba wo ge we na wa la dan we na we wari ya viere wa we na ri owo e una tifo na tigwe we na we mohereria o kasunu ono no hiari ende degbe wo ya tie mi we owo kan no wa yari yen we gwa o we tie Taramero Edo my people, because Chief Omo Osage hate Oshomole, dislike Oshomole like he said, does not mean I should dislike Oshomole. Election support and political support is not by force. It's not a do and die that if you don't support me, I will destroy you. That is what they are doing now. They are saying hence I refuse to support Governor Godwin Obaseki re-election, that they will blackmail, they have already blackmailed me, that they will destroy me. Everybody know that we all Edo people, we respect our palace. For him, as a current chief, to go on social media and said, "Emina hai iriye guatai vine guamanagi." Yega seti with Bible if you boy a Bible me where a gua or gain so la wo epa. You might be guy tea way. You might have a chief in anya have a fia warrior. You have a chief in a row. Then I say, she say not by other way. Every I mean, of manage Agmo even off working anyway. La wo ula dia a matana. Okay, over here because me awa you pop be our home be saying. What I said here, Uru Yamwe, it got me lavane. Ukbisen, even lavoni. Ukbiseni, iya so. I wouldn't not be there yet. Where go? Where ye? A few years who said, me mammy, well, like social media. Where tear, or ye or one of us you get where Matthew Wohan, we are in land, nowhere, where chief or more sagi, who take in a gabby. Evine mo fi yi wu yi rovi me wo rovi me ba me gwa we malatia to ha we na no mi go we se o malatia awo ha your trainer monkey face your trainer your real na social media you are not kele ma o ni kele owo ha we me am ada wo ha owo ha ta me message o owo ha ida o sa ta ma me owe we ni yeke o ba na owe ma ni ga if your back but we yen gwa lo o wa ta ma me owe atin o ba wo ma we yen kin owe so ma we yen si we ba gbe o ta ma message o owo ha me ro pa na lo ewe chema ewe cancelo egwa gben egwa tie yen se ti yen ma be la ya gben eni bi e ya ma we e me ro pa na agben e yo wa se o ile meme ni ari ne buke agba aha o se no ya meme eyan hai o meme no e kometi yen ge to meme afikun meme ne o meme o we ti no yi me aha meme be social media be la wo wa ye wo meme be tegbe na o meme no e mi pa wa ti we mi ro pa social media mi pa no awe o ko police o mo so o e mo ari kotofo o ni enuna ke awe o ni me iladian igwo meme aha meme eru ne ku awe ri ro na eru ne ku we ma e go siketine obo no vi eru ne ku were e wi go ku eru ne ku ya wo wa mu na obo no vi so am eru ne ku iru ene onu we kan do ki mo bo yo ruwa la wo chi for mo sage la ho wo no latian obi ogweki ugbeme kweku ma me pa ni wo fe yime ni ke go ade ive monire libia emi edo no wulo o malatia no we ni ranu mi ora wo o ma gbe we gire wo po ni we gi pe asende audio we na we send gun na video we na we send gun we wa send e yo ni we po ni o we na hi o po ni e ma tie me awu wa po ni o hi ladian e governor na e ma na ti we lare o ko wa se na awu na ro le ladian una do se get body awa asende gun me awa e me send la na ni pe na nya na gbon pege okay we ni ma ya we ni mele ranu mi ho me no ye degbe ah bia kan ya mo awe wo na ero ma ga tebe mama o mo se u te mo pa wo wie e so ta ye o wa fi ewure ere ya go ba dole do ye ah ere ya go ba dole do ye ado we na have na review now ari ogun pa no enu ajo no keke we go ba dole do ye we wa pa we wa go give your back the social media abi we ma obi oba me hin obi oba me hin obi o pe ahin go a yo bi ohu we wa pa we wa ya ti obi oba hun dan we na we no go ba dole do we a ti obi oba hun dan ya even wu wa ya u da o bo we o mo no we bia ni ana o mo pa na wa pa mario kamari o we ona ya ti ohun dan e ko wa re we o wa mo wa no e by force you know I will support Obaseki even support e ke la gbo ma yi wa ga me gbe yo awa as far as Oba Godwin no Obaseki o reno do siolo ma gbado anolo wa ni o siene na e go ama ken vie do e Libya e go e vie do na wulo we gbe na e go somule ma wulo we nya do wa wo somule gbe me ma we ka go somule gun me ka we fu pe go somule e go na le lo Obaseki ken na ka na we ikin ya ko gbe e to ni obi ere no ma o ti me na we ya imi ya iya ma egere o pe na ye e na we okay mete we ya e na imi ya ama gwegun be mai gwegun te wa e ya no re social media na wa e me de me na tie bo ina tie nu tete na ga bia o ba ga he ni umu dia neni u tete na ga bi e bodo sa ya gwo hoyi o do ku tete no ga bi u tete ga o ibugbe ona ikin kan dogma ye wo egbe aye sove ya aya ehon moto iye me no ho a oru chifomo sajo tete na ga bi oru uruwe Obaseki o waye ibe ta serio we tete me na wu meke mi wa ike ya mi o Even forgive God we know your basaki. E video ni be. If no mo ye, e page na re. E video ni be, e page na re. Every video of Obaseki I'm playing, I go to his page, I collect it from his page. Even what I'm seeing, a lot of people don't see it. Even in my bed, I work in the prison, I work in the jail. I am a jailer. I detect a lot of things others cannot detect. I am a generic officer who the ability. Let me tell you. Anyone, when you put a video, make a video. Yeah, a video pass a be. Any bunny gaga, for a long time. Ya guankava because of a here. No make a police officer, no ya with the IG. O cannot make a telegram fiana real than I will be so. Yeah, so watch one video na fear. Watch one video me na fear. Me give fear wala diana yona kitale me. Via why? O pe a ho no we ni ya me ki ogen gwa. Wa ka ma ri o ga ki ogen gwa. Wa ya gbese yo. Une wa ke wana na 1200. 1300. Wa ke Facebook and YouTube. Wa ya fe no river. This 1200 300 people that is watching now. Any man and woman, anybody born out of a woman that want to turn me to enemy of palace, knowing fully well that I refuse to support Edo State governor. That is why Edo State governor have planted all this blackmail. Tell that person will become enemy of palace. Everywhere. Akpe ma huefa avegwa. Awakpe ma huefa everywhere. Everywhere Edo walao amenige idigwe mi wa walao wagumetie omo usage utete nega bi watie no do ha keleri mana tamai we yari ekpeti otawe owo han idaosa no riomba no ya ha mi ya we rano miho ugengwa ino vi no mana mieri la dan video awere na gbe viedo owegbe ihe owegbe avie ma vitamin me ekino edo but me gwankawa owegbe sukman no yo bo ayawo ohun fowa ime tono bo ile no bo degere na yere fidini no yin igera igiye vi me ari we eru on e plan wa te wa me o no ma support basaki wa we hey ogiomba ona can stop e ikata de ina we eme e wa you no kiana wa ya kame agaja kame e wa na stop agaja kame ruta isa mo go ba mese awa o ere opara gbon ataye awira omi go tie bo ebo tie ise ti gbina igwo ma gbina ebo iti igbina igbo ma imosisi iwani buro ya gbo wa ya ma isage ma wa rin abo ya ma iwani buro ya ra ya we robri ya ma ya yasin do gbono kiyan botori me italo e me yasin do gbono kime italo na ebo e me ya do me te no ma via hiwai na via hiwai wa e government has a one at Koni be like ya bring it and we go down. If he refuse to support us, let us break it down. Usadebe Avenue, that is where they discuss it. And the people that saw them discussing it have already told me today. All Benin people, I hereby call on every man and woman, English speaking Edo, to call on Chief Omo Osage Otetenegabi. My family have went to the palace, they have called, they have went and asked, nothing like that. Omo Osage should come out. He should come out and tell the whole world where the Oba of Benin sent him a message. He should come out. We need the evidence. He should come out. You cannot blackmail a US citizen for your political gain and tarnish his career and his image. No. You can blackmail a German citizen, it's not my business. German is not America. I want. You know, brothers and sisters, Give me 1 second. I think they have attacked my YouTube. Give me 1 second. They have attacked my YouTube right now. I have to fix it. My YouTube have been attacked. One second. Give me 1 second, please. My YouTube have just been attacked. I'm going to try and do it again and see. Thank God Almighty. Thank God. So I was able to bring it back. Thank you so much. They just attacked my YouTube and Facebook, but I'm happy I was able to bring it back because the cyber engineer that came, he told me what I would do. If it didn't work that way, this is how I would do, and I just did it. It didn't work. So my people, give me 1 second. I do people. Please, wherever you are, I want you to do a voice note to ask Chief Omo Osagi Utetenegbe, when did the palace, when did our Oba send him to go and blackmail Oba's son? If you have to, no ya blackmail over here. Iranomigo, because Oba Bieme, walk Baba Bie, Oba or Pime. Irira metamame. Kenorure, oge tiempo de wase no. Kenorewebo, erimanyaya. E todi to boebe ye to boebe le ran liri o be le ya na o ma me fitness okpa e we ya na we ongi utete ongi omo sa ongi do na wo no do have no ongi because every day no just stay every damages no create e boy e hu we na ahen na video me e camera paropa do we iri ma we ke na pa ye mayo will be on because ego ni me se kwa na ne kire alo to America otu last one alo e Morocco masika America vi mi away Chief Omo Osagi vi mi away temi opa ire wo ka bi ri wo gede o we ke awe for someone na deba. I am for Oshomole. I am not for Obaseki. Talk your own, let me talk my own. Why that become a problem? Huh? Why that become a problem? Immediately this Chief Omo Osagi did this audio. I want to play to the whole world. Immediately did this last audio. Let me play it. I will play the other one he did next. Hold on. Let me connect it. Give me 1 second. Brothers and sisters. Immediately did this audio.
I do come, man. So he come one way. Oshomole can never be my friend. But Omaga will need.
Okay. He said Oshomole can never be his friend. Fine. He have every right to his own opinion. However he want to feel. Oshomole is not only a friend to me, he's my father. He's everything. Whatever I've said against him, I've already told people, forgive me. I was upset because he shoved Obaseki down to our throat. And only when people are dying, Edo people are dying because of that. Do you know how many Edo people lost their life in Libya? Because of Governor Obaseki that Oshomole brought? But you say APC national chairman can never be your friend. But does that is it bad for? Is he a magnet? A magnet that whoever is your friend should be my friend? No. I am working for Oshomole. I'm not getting paid for it. I'm doing it for free. For the betterment of my state. Eh? Let me play the audio. Let me play it. Maybe are you way? Why we go
He did not win. Oshomole not close up everywhere. Tony Kabaka now went to Odubu, Yain Sote, where Oman Diopo here, Eminari, Irion Asun. When Oshomole and Obaseki were sitting down, Yana Giajoy. Yes, a stadium on Asunu, in my presence. And Aduka Mame. So I come one way, Oshomole can never be my friend. But Omaga will me, if no, it means no who will tie. That is the way I see it. 3 years of by now. Naketeme, Eria Wode Kenwa Road. Wode Kenwa Road. 3 years of by now. 3 years of by now. Nagi Wode Saint Savior. 3 years of by now for a lot of other things like that. Leventis private rice farm. We wepa wano side agbere we done. Government we move for Tulele Yakia, Edo State government rice farm. Edo State in a rice farm. Tell the people the truth. It doesn't cost you, it cannot cost you your life. Instead, awe omano temata inahin. That's the way I see my life. Would be lawyer temata and respect the one I know to be the I don't know, I don't care for any other human being but I'm Monoba. With a man respected one. It does not deserve respect from any Benima.
Okay, immediately Chief Omo Osage Utetenegabe played that audio. I don't know how long it took. Here is the second one they sent to me. Listen.
Video that went viral, or the statement that went viral this evening, okay, out of misconception and all that.
Okay. Chief, this is Commissioner Ero. He even stated that video went viral. Ero even said it. Obaseki commissioner appointed by Governor Godwin Obaseki. Ero himself, Commissioner Ero, told me in Canada when he met me, he said, "My brother, give Obaseki a chance." I said, "Okay, what do you want me to do?" He said, "What is the problem?" I told him, I said, "This is the road, Tomla Road, Orion Road, this road. Governor Obaseki should start working on it." Commissioner Ero told me that if I gave him time till December in 2018, if Governor Obaseki did not do that road, I can say whatever I want on air. Ask Commissioner Ero. Where no don't you know time maybe with Canada. ENA with Canada. This is the same Commissioner Ero now saying that audio went viral. Then when I'm where it came again, owo hanu down. No ye rune hui osikegbe imine akobo me your ball. When I'm we make we audio ni we make ni me na mi o. Audio we home commissioner ha we or go viral. Let me play it.
Video that went viral, or the statement that went viral this evening, out of misconception and all that. Chief is a person that works so well with us here. He has done the choreography and is working for us to make sure they don't win a lot of competition. So what he said yesterday was very out of order, was wrong, and Chief is here now to send a rejoinder to say it is not in his character to say that. And as Commissioner for Culture that knows him very well, that I've worked with him, we are all here together to refute that. Our governor, His Excellency Godwin Obaseki, has given and have released all the money that he approved for this event. We must appreciate our governor. We know how much was spent here to renovate this cultural center. We know what the governor is doing in this state. And by the special grace of God, the governor will do his 8 years and put Edo State in Eldorado. We appreciate our governor. This is the first time that Edo State is getting the hosting National Festival of Art and Culture. This is the first time that this edifice that was dead is being renovated by His Excellency. So we must appreciate our governor. And because of that, I can't say what
you can hear Commissioner Ero speaking. They went immediately. They went to go and pick him. Chief Omo Osage. Is this a chief that really respects himself? For a commissioner, yana ya moyana mo baribadi yana we do fear me no ta worry. Me no ta we okay my okay suzolopa of fear worry na gege. O say na la o ma no e go ani argument e go. Ni argument e go. Atawa awohin oba ya fefe yan re gbe yan ladian. e bori ati ga wo yo bari gbin ala dia e gwa me kina ro na ni amukpa re because o we me no gbe kan ro eken o fe no ro wa o ha me no ro emi ro wa o fe no ro wa o ha me no ro emi ro wa imaje gwa iru egwa ewi afefe no wo hani kele mo fife ama kelo kela dia e mo kifezi ni agun no because tifi na no wa te mo pa baba oba seki commissioner wa mo egeke wa danwe me no ta wa danwe o wa ya ge de o ma no heke no ru egwa no o do mo no ma heke no ru egwa no e moto ni e moto ri ni ata.
Chief of Hussein in training, in doing a lot of things that will just be thrown out of context. So Chief is here with me this evening to speak on that and say what he said yesterday was out of order, but out of content, and he's going to hear from him directly. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Commissioner, and my good people of
This is it.
State. It's a pity our people misconstrue and throw things around or so whatever. That thing that now went viral yesterday, or could be maybe yesterday before yesterday, or even today.
Stop.
It's something that.
Stop. You heard when himself said it, that the audio went viral. Okay, why did you not come out and be accusing me? That according to Owoha, Norionba, he said Chief Omo Osage told him that that statement was made in Abuja, but here you have in his own voice, in his own face, saying that that audio went viral. We may utete nega do wamabe itamuwa. He onawe ranomego wagaya yombaru dona. Usaba gbe won ruwe ne. E video na wa gbe won ruwe. O saloba mapege ta wa ze me popo kekan. The whole world can see how one man, one person, one chief paid or asked by governor official to come and blackmail Iranomigo. Here you have him confessing that this audio went viral by himself. Let me play it. This is the commissioner. I'm going to show you. Speaking, Commissioner Aero.
Special grace of God, the governor will do his 8 years and put Edo State in Eldorado. We appreciate the governor. This is the first time that Edo State is getting the Edo State National Festival of Art and Culture. This is the first time that this edifice that was dead is being renovated by His Excellency. So we must appreciate our governor. And because of that, I can say what Chief of Hussein in training, in doing a lot of things that will just be thrown out of context. So Chief is here with me this evening to speak on that and say what he said yesterday was out of order, but out of content, and he's going to hear from him directly. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Honorable Commissioner, and my good people of Edo State. It's a pity our people misconstrue and throw things around or so whatever. That thing that now went viral yesterday, or could be maybe yesterday before yesterday, or even today. It's something that how many days by week old that people just going to turn up to want to say, well, I want to, let's leave all that, appreciate the Honorable Commissioner and everyone involved in the National Festival. We are believing that Edo, hosting for the first time, that the Commissioner said we want to make a world standard statement with our hosting. And not just hosting to win. I want to congratulate the governor, congratulate the Honorable Commissioner, congratulate every one of us for the hosting, for the participation, and we pray that we get, we pray we get it down there. My brother Godwin, His Excellency, thank you very much for the things so far on the ground.
People on YouTube, I am sorry, they are attacking my YouTube. You did not hear the last word. I'm going to play it on YouTube. I saw it, they attack it. So I'm going to play it. You can see they are attacking it constantly. You see, they keep attacking it. They just keep attacking it constantly. As I'm speaking right now, they are attacking my YouTube. Governor Godwin Obaseki people, they are attacking my YouTube. national chairman Adam Ali Oshomole, look at what they are doing to my brokers. Look at what Governor Obaseki people are doing to my brokers. They do not want Edo people to hear the truth. This is what they are doing to my brokers. You can see that. They are attacking me. They are attacking my brokers. They are bringing everything down. You can see what Obaseki people paid by Edo State taxpayer money they are doing to me. I want you all to listen. Chief Omo Osagie Utete Negabi, he never renounced what he said. He did not say what he said was not true. They brought him and he scratched his head. I will post that video. If you have that full video, send it to me. This one is not good. Let me play it as he end up, the way he end up.
For the hosting, for the participation, and we pray that we get, we pray we get it down there. My brother Godwin, His Excellency, thank you very much for the things so far on the ground.
Okay, you can hear that. That's it. Tell me what I did wrong to Utete. He himself acknowledged that that audio went viral. The voice note. Why would they not come and be accusing me that it was Abuja? That is it's like a secret. This is him saying it by himself. Let me listen.
Hussein, in training, in doing a lot of things that will just be thrown out of context.
So whatever. That misconstrue and throw things around or so whatever. That thing that now went viral yesterday.
Okay.
Maybe yesterday before yesterday.
He said it himself. Lao a chief. Lao vi miari wena. Wa ya seti ya hien o ya. Uwiakia ya seti bimo ya Chief Omo Utete Negabi. Wa ya po ya numu yomegbena. Jowo ko rodigbe. Wa ya po ya numu yomegbena. Wa ya pigonu dume wana. Wa ya pe ni menuri ya wana. Wa ve uhion bago owo kan kri Godwin Obi Obaseki. Wa ya bona wala ekamoba watie na re gwayo watie Utete Negabi na re gwayo igaso watie oni owo watie yo boy time
Wahia fe wa be wa wo wa wese egba tu wahia. It's a pity our people misconstrue and throw things around or so whatever. That thing that now went viral yesterday.
Okay.
Maybe yesterday before yesterday.
Is it not this one of these people that use people to take cola or drink water in the palace? I thank God though. This man would have just poisoned me in the palace. He would have just put something in the water and poisoned me. Baba uyogosa. You cannot see all the plan of Owoka and all the enemy. You see how God exposed them. The miraculous red Bible. You see how God Almighty exposed them. Tell me now, I will tell you. I am taking the bullet for all the social media presenters who are doing good. This will be the end of Koya. Egwagure. Oba say, Egwa say, when Egwa not talk like that. Chief Omo Osagie Utete Negabi is among of the chief now that is going around saying, Oba say, Egwa say, Oba say, Oba no talk. So now we are begging the palace, we are begging everyone. Tony, Wala Chief Victor Ekato lao owe omana atie wala wagun efie video na wari are egwa no wageri mamio wagemie ekine omo osage chief omo osage otete na gabi no muena okwe oba say you be ohioba egwa say you be ohioba. We have to say no. Egwa say you be ohioba because egwa not say you be ohioba. Walao. Evinan imatara kele kiyoe. This is tactics of blackmailing. If I was not clean in my heart, if maybe one day or maybe I was thinking, say, oh, maybe I could have said something wrong, I wouldn't have the courage. I would have called them and said, please, how much will I pay? That is what Owokan is doing. That is how he's collecting money. He will tell people, Owokan have told me many times, we ain't here, Umada knock back. Former Umada, Honorable Roland, knock back, former John Way, or we ain't here, or I tear on my line, or I may go and bring money. Nireti Wohyoba. If you refuse to pay, or one ladia. Also, you go back, go, or ya go, we or ya go. Ye, while we rebel it, you mother, only while we move on. This blackmailing ring, blackmailing cartel, or blackmailing Ohioba cartel syndicate. This group that they have created in order to spoil Edo name is unacceptable. Is unacceptable. People freedom movement will not tolerate it. No one can be. Owokan must go back to palace, carry his Bible, or carry whatever thing and go and do whatever and say the truth. Okay, kene guatie. Ekele guana hamau. Emene guata mau. Owokan or a list in nowhere guardian o. Ekele secretary or team or team secretary where yema yema de oni egwan yo yema wono gie utete na gabi. Oteme. Wometana eto na de yena my own family they call the secretary to the upper. They never hear. My own family where that is a chief, he never hear. They are all asking, how did Utete Nega be? How many of them in this group who planned this to sabotage the only man on social media that is supporting Comrade Adam Ali Oshomole? I am the only person, and my son, Bush Lion, that is doing whatever it takes to stand for the truth. And it's not a coincidence. It's only that two of us is in America. Why is it that people that are educated, who have wisdom, who has what America have given to the whole world, that is educated by America one way or the other, why is it that two of them are not supporting Governor Obaseki? Does that not read something to you? To tell you that Governor Obaseki live here. We know how people that behave, that come to America after they commit crime, one way or the other, they are in a BR radar, they will go home and start. Obaseki, Governor Obaseki work in a financial firm in America. And the financial firm Governor Obaseki worked in America have been closed by the FBI. Governor Obaseki left America for a long time ago. So the trace don't even go close to him. Why can't you ask yourself a question? Why Governor Obaseki? If I happen to become a governor of Edo State tomorrow, America will be the first place I will embrace. If the whole world, China embrace America, they become superpower. Russia, they are trying to imitate America. America is protecting German. German they cannot protect themselves. America is protecting everywhere. America is almighty. Why would Governor Obaseki running away from America? Why other country are running towards America? Does that not sound, is that not a red flag? Governor Obaseki is an architect problem merchant, ATM of problem ATM. You cannot cow me. I am too big for that, to fall on it. God of America will never allow me. I repeat, by the power of the God of America, I will never be smeared or cow or bribed to do what I do not want to do. Instead, I will cry to the FBI. Let them know that I have been blackmailed by agents who are working for Governor Godwin Obaseki. I will cry to the FBI, and not in 2 weeks. I will wait before I make a report to the FBI. Blackmailing case is not a small case. This is serious because he identified and stated that the palace sent him. Utete Negabi, we have to answer to the Itapo. Come and explain to the Itapo why you are blackmailing me. For that being said today, Utete Negabi have put my campaign in a die mode. All this while I've been struggling. I say anybody but Obaseki. If I do not have the money to run or to do anything, I will support anyone that the Oshomole bring. And I keep saying it. Utete Negabi, Edwin Dausa, Governor Godwin Obaseki, they have destroyed the innocent poor citizen dreams. How many times Chief Omo Osage have come out and say, if you do not Libya, Governor Laya Viari, if you don't know what where you are, Chief Omo Osage, huh? What's it one me fair now? Why they can you go and moyang? We will go away, Chief Omo Osage, we will go away. We will go the Korean way, the West Yahweh. When so Nick Binoroa. We will go away. It is what I say. Why was he? This matter, I am removing it from social media. I am going to do whatever it takes because of our palace to make sure this matter is resolved. And Chief Omo Osage must come out on social media and make a video, public video, and begin to fix what he have damaged. Okay, I repeat until iro uru. Uruye meye, iruya wo Obaseki iriya ru. Please, Omonoriri Oshomole, if you know Comrade Adamole Oshomole, tell him they want to kill me because I'm the only one supporting him. They want to blackmail me because I am the only one. He marry Oka, he marry Ogede. Oh, we support Oshomole. Oh, be one banana. Oh, be one banana. Egwa won bowe na yera. Egwa won bowo, egwa makie, but we no do harm ma. Ikirana dukoni. Ati oteme regwa. How can my own family, my own brother, go to palace? They go talk of me and we not hear from my brother. That is, I said, what? What? Oh, no doubt my brother is heading to the palace tomorrow. They have been calling Omo Tote a phone number. The phone number they gave us, his number is switch off. Odoyo. I want to know by Waviore. I wait till number on me. Ọ̀dọ̀ eyọ ne ọmọ nọmba we ori o ma he we no vie phone number la dia ọ̀dọ̀ eyọ ya re egua la ho e ni ya no e mo ma de egua we na ho e ni ya no e even way you know we have thank God evidence ro ne uno we yata with the video went viral uno yata
misconstrue and throw things around or so whatever that thing that now went viral yesterday.
Okay.
Construe and throw things around or so whatever. That thing that now went viral yesterday, or could be maybe yesterday before, or even today.
So Utete Negabi or hey to be or a video no go viral or hey on idea. This man knew that That video went viral, but yet he come to that Enemy of Palace show and say he don't know how I get the video. Yeah, do. Igbo wonyan. Oha won ba na riviera. Oha won ba. Baba Lao. My people, for Governor Godwin Obaseki issue, I am supporting Comrade Adam Ali Oshomole, who have a policy that align with the innocent poor citizen, with Vision 2020, and I will continue to support Comrade Adam Ali Oshomole. Nobody can force me to support who his policy is not aligned with my policy. Obaseki policy is a radical policy, and I do not want to do with anything radical. If Obaseki, no one of you talk bad people. Why are you crying? The video I posted on Facebook is the video I collected from Obaseki page. Why are you people crying? Why not Obaseki area? Why not Vienna? Why am I swing? Oshomole have not bring somebody and nobody have come out as an opposition. Me, Tony, I said it long time ago. I said if Tony Kabaka start working for the poor, I will come out and praise him. I said it. Underline that word. And Tony Kabaka is working for the poor. Now, I will continue to praise him. I will work with him. Nobody can change me. Nobody. Before I come on air, I make sure I call him and say, what have you found? He said, not you. Yeah, mommy. The bagwa agwe gwangwena. And now we want to know about the bagwa. Uwesi. Someone that is assigned to be bringing people to the palace have went everywhere. There's nothing like that. He must tell us how this thing all tie. He must all tie. He must say it too. You know what I am going to be posting video, and that video is from Governor Godwin Obaseki. Tomorrow I will play some video. I don't want to spoil this video, and I don't want it to be long. God bless you, and I love you. Good night, everyone. Oba talk by he said, "Iriwata se wala abedo. Iguata magwata wayabome. Iriwata se."
Schools, creativity, innovations, everything. Innovation, creativity, innovations, everything. No emure. Akwe. Any governor warrant here constitutionally. This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm fighting for. Any constitutional high where the governor can hire and fire a local government chairman. If it is so in the constitution, it is also so where the president can hire and fire an elected governor, because Utapa or video. So